Model 069 is triple protected, a colorful box, a soft pouch, and a final protective film. Safe, sound, and secure. We believe true quality has nothing to hide. That's why we designed it with a stylish, translucent shell. You're not just looking at a surge protector. You're seeing the precision engineering and craftsmanship inside. It's a confident design that's both functional and beautiful. Weight, 12.44 ounce. Length, 5.88 inches. Width, 2 inches. Thickness, 1.37 inches. 360 swivel cable protector. Trust in quality. Our cables are manufactured in-house and are fully ETL certified, ensuring your peace of mind with every use. Power plug. Thickness 0.85 inches, suitable for more places. Upgrade your desk with the Model 069. It keeps your space tidy and looking great. Tuck Model 069 under the desk. It hides all the plugs and cables, leaving your workspace clean. We believe in creating products that are built to last. That's why we start with superior materials, and that choice is reflected in everything we make. What's the difference? Inside ours, a solid, one-piece core for maximum safety. Inside theirs, a patchwork of cheap copper pieces. This design is prone to failure and can be dangerous. We replace the manual switch with something better. Automatic overload protection. It handles safety for you. Push the plug all the way in for a secure fit. The green light confirms you have power. See these two lights? That means the power is live, but what it really means is there's a constant risk. If water splashes or if a metal pin gets in, it can immediately cause a dangerous electrical fault. With our product, the sockets aren't live. The tester confirms it. Zero power, zero risk. That's true peace of mind. At the heart of our surge protector is our proprietary internal design, engineered with multiple layers of protection to keep you safe. Now, let's dive into our 3D animation to see exactly how it works. Spills happen. That's why our surge protector is IPX6 waterproof, designed to handle everyday splashes with ease. It keeps working safely without missing a beat. Just a friendly reminder, this is a powerful safeguard. If it ever gets soaked, simply unplug it and let it dry out completely inside to keep it working perfectly for you.